Hi, my name is John Khoury. I'm the Head of Technology and Change Management at My Muscle Chef. My Muscle Chef was founded over 10 years ago and has since transformed from being a family-run business to now employing over 500 people. We're currently selling over 2 million fresh, ready-made meals, snacks and drinks on a monthly basis. So the business has been going through significant growth, and as part of that, the business decided to invest in a new state-of-the-art facility. And to do that, we needed to invest in a scalable, best-in-class network. My Muscle Chef chose Juniper networks for numerous reasons. I like that Juniper is in the top 3 global brands, but also with best-in-class security and new AI self-healing capabilities using the Mist technology stack. When we were troubleshooting, say, people on video calls having issues with performance, it could sometimes take hours, even days, to pinpoint what the issue was. With the new Juniper technology stack, and in particular the Mist, we were able to pinpoint if there was a saturation of a certain access point, or if there was an issue with a particular device within minutes. So the operational support has significantly improved. And I've got to say, also just the reliability of the product. We've had no downtime since we've changed over to Juniper.
Hi, my name is Gabriel. I'm the People and Culture Business Partner here at My Muscle Chef. The experience is much better now that Juniper's in place because we can be confident and rely on the network. We have so many touch points in our operation. Since this network has been implemented, we've seen improvements in the operational data that comes through. We've seen improvements in the speed in which we're able to download those large data sets, which then allows us to analyze the data quite quickly and share it amongst our key stakeholders.
In modern IT, there's a real focus for us to shift away from being viewed as a traditional break-fix function and instead be viewed as a business support, business enabler with business problems rather than break-fix. That is the real attraction, the scalability and the central administration, which simplifies IT operation support significantly. It just means we're future ready. That's what's really exciting about this technology stack.